No.
There we go. Hello guys, welcome to the podcast, and today we are going to be talking about eclipses. So let me just move the camera. There we go. That I'm gonna have to do bad lighting. Yeah, bad freaking light pollution. What can you do? So
Wait, what?
and that's for the two of us. So welcome to the Space Talking and Teaching podcast, and today we are going to be talking about eclipses. If you've only just joined us, like I said, we're going to be talking about eclipses. So enjoy the podcast stream, podcast live stream. There we go. And this is not episode 6. This is episode 5. Last episode was a really flat job. It was not the best. It was. But yeah, so let's get into it. So I have a co-host. It is Connor Radadisik, for those who are listening to this on the podcast, or on Spotify, on Google Cast, everything like that. On YouTube, you guys may know him as Bloodman67. Second picture reel for this guy. Or third reel?
Yes.
Third, second, I don't know.
I think we've done the third episode.
With you being in it?
Yeah.
The Facebook reel? Yeah, I don't know.
I think it was the third episode we went into.
Yeah, so...
My first time doing the third episode.
Yeah, so he's been in the podcast for 2 episodes now. 3. It's year 2 episodes, so that's pretty good. And we'll be talking out of how eclipses work, what causes an eclipse, everything like that. So I'll be also editing my podcast as well, so it's easy to use. It's not editing, but I'm also going to be monetizing my podcast as well and my stream. So I'll be putting the link in the description for what I use, so you guys can use it much more easily. So yeah, it's very easy to use. You don't need that much for it. It's free to use. You don't need any fancy equipment. It's really easy. It's called Anchor.fm. So I've used it since the very beginning. It is fun. It's easy. You don't need any fancy equipment, like I said. And if you want to, you can even start your own podcast, because that's what I'm using now to record this podcast.
Send a link to it?
I mean, you can send a link to it, yeah. So, I mean, you can start your own stream as well.
Wait, you're deciding you want me to start my own?
Yes.
Wait, now?
Yes, now.
Ignore what I just said.
Yeah, just ignore everything of what we just said. I forgot to mute it. Mute it.
Maybe to do this.
This thing's screwed. Okay.
Stream setup help.
Sorry about that, guys. I'm just sorting something out. Good line.
Or just sit back with it or grab something to eat.
Yeah, sit back, grab something to eat your bloody damn heart out, all that. Webcam.
I know.
Now. More options. Yeah.
The titles.
I know. Sorry if you're seeing too much neck.
Yeah, I do this.
Problem solved.
Yes.
So yeah, now we have 2 streams running, so that should be easier now.
Yep.
So yeah, so Bloodman67 is streaming as well, so you can go
If you want to check that out.
So you can check him out, and yeah, so let's get on with the podcast again. So I'll start again for Bloodman stream.
Yeah.
Hello everyone, I am Flynn Cheeseman or Model Freak 4 from Space Talking and Teaching podcast, and today I am going to be talking about eclipses. And eclipses are caused by things that happen within the Earth's rotational axis and the Earth's ecliptic plane, which is a lot of words to handle, but you'll get used to it. It's weird seeing me there and then there. It's just it's weird.
We're looking at the same screen.
Yeah, true. So for Blood Mainstream, welcome. Hello. Someone left. That's fine. Let's just.
Oh my God! I got 2 people.
Hello, people who have just joined the stream.
Hello, chat. If you say yes during the chat, that'd be grateful, please.
And same thing with my stream as well. If you're listening, please.
Well, how you guys into space, and let's get into it.
Yeah, let's get into it. Yay! 2 streams at once. Woo. So yeah, let's have fun.
Yeah, let's get into it.
Research stuff, learn stuff. Great fun. So yeah, eclipses are the Earth's way of saying special event on the horizon. Well, not really, but it's close enough to it.
Yeah.
So I'm putting on you.
I know.
So how do you have?
Because I got more subscribers.
Hello, Slayer. How are you, mate?
I have a wife. So thank you, friend, for joining my live stream.
So yeah, hello. Yes, Facebook will open. Number 4. Hello.
Hello,
Evil Slayer. How are you, mate? So we're talking about eclipses.
Yeah.
And if you don't know what eclipses are, then I'll explain them now. Let me just move my camera back.
All right. What is it? Exactly?
So eclipses are. Oh, that's good. That's good to hear, Evil Slayer. So if you want to jump into my stream as well, then you can have 2 streams running at the same time, and it'll be much easier to talk to you because I don't need to look at his camera
at the same time.
At the same time with me, I'm looking at mine. So yeah, I'm not telling you if you want to go. So basically, eclipses are when the sun, the earth, and the moon are all either lined up, sun, moon, earth, that's called a solar eclipse. And when it's the sun, earth, moon, that's called a lunar eclipse.
Yes.
Because the moon is the last thing. If the earth was the last thing, that means that that's a solar eclipse. So when it comes to like eclipses and all that, it's very easy to explain things. So let's see what we're up to. Facts. There you go.
Yes.
So you've got 3, I've got 1. Oh, screw you, buddy.
I told you I got 71 subscribers. What do you think?
Well, I mean, you're special. I'm not. Shut up.
Let's say I'm not that special. I'll just keep asking people to subscribe to get more.
So you're cheating.
No, I am not. I'm not asking the people to get subscribers. I can see you laughing.
No shit.
Yes, we both
one there.
Oh yeah, you only got 1.
Dumbass. So yeah, like I was saying, eclipses is when the Earth or the Moon is in front of the sun, it's either when the Earth or the Moon is in front of the sun. If the Earth is in front of the sun and the Moon is behind us, lunar eclipse. Same thing, but the opposite is a solar eclipse. So basically, are you noting this down, Eva Slayer?
Get a notebook and get a pen. You might need those things.
You'll need them. Trust me. They will help a lot for when you leave school to know what to do. Okay, that's fine. So,
Get one.
So basically, yes, I'm using my phone. Yeah, phone. Thanks. So basically, all because of the rotational period that we can't see, but we are actually rotating at such a fast speed that our field of vision, our field of view can't actually pick up that we're spinning really fast. Because we're spinning at like 1,000,000 kilometers an hour or something like that. So
I was say 10 miles per hour.
No.
No, I think we're between like 100 or something.
No, much faster.
Thousands?
I just said it. 1,000,000 kilometers.
Oh, wow. That's a lot faster.
Yeah. So when we're spinning. We just don't perceive us to be spinning.
We don't see it.
No, we do.
Oh, we do? So we don't see where we spin.
That's when we're moving. When we're not moving, we're spinning. Well, we're always spinning, but when we're moving, it goes, it looks like that we're not moving. And that's really cool for physics.
Yes, it is.
So when it comes to the physical side of things, it's actually really hard and easy to explain as well. I keep on looking at your camera. It's weird. So
well, look at yours.
Yes, I'm trying to look at mine, but yours there. You've got a freaking talking.
Oh.
Join my stream. No, don't. Don't join my stream.
Funny.
So if you have any questions posted in my stream, please ask them. I will answer them the best of my abilities. So moving on with, and also if you have any questions,
or comment about space.
If you have any questions, Slayer, you may ask them, and I'll be able to answer them to the best of my abilities. That's only if you do. If you don't,
or if you can contact us, go on Discord.
Yeah, I'm going Discord. I think.
Or Facebook group.
I think you're on my Discord. I don't know.
No, I'm not. But we get the point.
I was talking about Slayer. But yeah, so basically, the reason why that the eclipses happen is because of something called rotational period. And when the moon is at a certain point in its orbit, see, you can now see it. It's like that. So you guys can now see it. So when the moon is in its rotational period around here, okay, your head needs to be the sun. I'm sorry. So
yeah, I get that.
So basically, they're probably one about here.
I thought the moon just go around the circles.
Oh, like this. Yeah, no. Literally.
Yeah, I can see.
So when we're rotating around the sun, we're not just rotating. We're actually going like this as well. We're actually tilting. So that's the seasonal tilt of the Earth. So autumn, winter, spring, summer. So when we're like this, that means that we're in summer. So here's Australia here. And when we're tilted up towards the sun, that's summer. When we're tilted down towards the sun, that's winter. Because we're not getting enough light from the sun to get it hot.
No.
To get Australia hot. But when we're in the middle, that's spring and autumn. I know.
We're in the cold season at the moment.
Yes. So we're tilted down. So corner space is the sun. So here's Australia here. We're tilted down. Like that. So we're both in tilted down. So we're tilted down like that. So here's the southern. Southern? No. Here's the northern hemisphere through here. Here's the southern hemisphere. We are in winter, so we're like this. When we're in spring or autumn, we're like this. When we're in summer, we're like that. So think of it as a wrist. Spring and autumn, winter, summer. If that makes sense to anyone, please let me know.
Do you have any comments, Evil Slayer?
Do you have any questions, Evil Slayer?
No?
Because if you do, then that'll help us a lot.
You can explain the question marks.
Okay, yeah, yep.
Hold on a minute.
Do you have a question, mate? If he does, then
Yeah, let's give him a minute. He's just typing. I'll just eat my sandwich here.
while we're waiting for you, let's move on.